Alright, so it's your boy Lucas back here. How about let's just not post the other part? Wait, that's my entire phone number. No, I don't want to go live anymore. Baby, teenager, R.I.P. Dead. Baby, teenager, adult, old, and then death. Me, I do as I. Hold on, what is this? Meme. I do as I say. What is this thumbnail? Did not mean to click on that. I noticed if you go on my channel, I'm not really that popular, but if we could hit 4 million subscribers, I will actually do a face reveal.
You first.
Number one's really Roblox, even though Fortnite is a bomb. Jenny Joe with my friends, whole squad lit until the end. In the top me town, I might get scammed, but at least I'm down. Now we're in Brookhaven City, bacon hair is really pretty. Give me some free Robux if you need good luck. Okay. Get that key from Piggy, hey, you had one job. I really want to play Roblox with you. Share this if you think Roblox is not a flop.
See, look, she said share this, but I want to share it with y'all. So I had to post it on YouTube because I'm not going to give out my phone numbers and I'm not going to call you or text you because I don't want to do that and I don't feel like doing that because some of y'all could make a group saying I Spy and Lucas.
Number one's really
I Spy on Lucas.
You first.
Number one's really Roblox, even though Fortnite is a bomb. Jenny Joe with my friends, whole squad lit until the end. In the top me town, I might get scammed, but at least I'm down. Now we're in Brookhaven City, bacon hair is really pretty. Give me some free Robux if you need good luck. Okay. Get that key from Piggy, hey, you had one job. I really want to play Roblox with you. Share this if you think Roblox is not a flop. Number one's really
You first.
Number one's really Roblox, even though Fortnite is a bomb. Jenny Joe with my friends, whole squad lit until the end. In the top me town, I might get scammed, but at least I'm down. Now we're in Brookhaven City, bacon hair is really pretty. Give me some free Robux if you need good luck. Okay. Get that key from Piggy, hey, you had one job. I really want to play Roblox with you. Share this if you think Roblox is not a flop.
Video of mine,
Number one's really
and you can do whatever
first.
you want. But
Number
if
one's
you wanna
really
hate
Roblox,
it,
even though Fortnite is a bomb. Jenny Joe with my friends, whole squad lit until the end. In the top me town, I might get scammed, but at least I'm down. Now we're in Brookhaven City, bacon hair is really pretty. Give me some free Robux if you need good luck. Okay. Get that key from Piggy, hey, you had one job. I really want to play Roblox with you. Share this if you think Roblox is not a flop.
She said
Number one's
share it. I want to share it with
first.
all of y'all.
Number one's really Roblox, even though Fortnite is a bomb. Jenny, Joe, Brim, my friends, whole squad lit until the end. In the top me town, I might get scammed, but at least I'm down. Now we're in Brookhaven City. Bacon hair is really pretty. Give me some free Robux if you need good luck. Okay. Get that key from Piggy. You had one job. I really want to play Roblox with you. Share this if you think Roblox is not a flop.
Am I
Number one's really
Me first.
Number one's really Roblox, even though Fortnite is a bomb. Jenny, Joe, Brim, my friends, whole squad lit until the end. In the top me town, I might get scammed, but at least I'm down. Now we're in Brookhaven City. Bacon hair is really pretty. Give me some free Robux if you need good luck. Okay. Get that key from Piggy. You had one job. I really want to play Roblox with you. Share this if you think Roblox is not a flop. Number one's really
Me first.
Number one's really Roblox, even though Fortnite is a bomb. Jenny, Joe, Brim, my friends, whole squad lit until the end. In the top me town, I might get scammed, but at least I'm down. Now we're in Brookhaven City. Bacon hair is really pretty. Give me some free Robux if you need good luck. Okay. Get that key from Piggy. You had one job. I really want to play Roblox with you. Share this if you think Roblox is not a flop. Number one's really
Me first.
Number one's really Roblox, even though Fortnite is a bomb. Jenny, Joe, Brim, my friends, whole squad lit until the end. In the top me town, I might get scammed, but at least I'm down. Now we're in Brookhaven City. Bacon hair is really pretty. Give me some free Robux if you need good luck. Okay. Get that key from Piggy. You had one job. I really want to play Roblox with you. Share this if you think Roblox is not a flop. Number one's really
If I caught someone's
first.
video.
Number one's really Roblox, even though Fortnite is a bomb. Jenny, Joe, Brim, my friends, whole squad lit until the end.
But listen, you say it's this guy because why not? So I can be mad. How about let's not? Yeah. That's a cosplay of mine. Yeah, no. That's what I look like in real life. I forgot I had one of the pictures. I'm just really mad and pissed off and scared because why the actual would you leave hate on me? If you just wanted to leave hate on me, go do that to another YouTuber. Well, why the fuck did you have to do it to me? Yes, I said it, YouTube. You can copyright me. Well, why the actual fuck would you do that to me? I never... And also, I actually think my house is haunted. You want to know why? It's because just hear these noises. That's just disturbing. Alright, this video is going to end here.